And this is what the entrance to the former Grand Sierra Railroad looks like. Memorial Day 2024. It's going to soon be the Beagle Express. Let's take a look at the construction progress, shall we? We shall. Well, still no Snoopy and Charlie Brown fishing. However, the track is complete now. Last we were here was May 12th, 2024. And it's Memorial Day 2024 right now. And the track is laid down, so is all the gravel right over there. And better news, as we go across right over here, there's the balloon ride. Ta-da! We got some train! Well, it's not complete quite yet, but look at that. Let's get a better look downstairs, shall we? And a better look we shall. There it is. There is the new locomotive. Now, one thing I do notice right over here, there's no writing on it quite yet. I wonder if they'll keep the name Cordelia K on there like the train previously had with the old color scheme. But there it is. It's a green and yellow one. Kind of reminds me of the Oakland, soon to be Sacramento, and soon to be Las Vegas Athletics colors. Of course, Charles Schultz Museum is up in the Bay Area, and as a Dodger fan, it is better than black and orange. And here's a vertical shot of the new trains. Now, I've been hearing rumors that these new trains run on cooking oil. So if you have the desire to eat French fries or chicken fingers or fish and chips after riding the Beagle Express, you'll know why. Do they have fish and chips at Knott's Berry Farm? I don't think so. And looking at the ride from next to the Sierra Sidewinder entrance, we see some construction happening. Do you see it? Let's get just a little bit closer. Well, no Peanuts characters yet, but there's a gazebo right over there. Who and what is going to be in that gazebo, we'll find out very, very soon. And that's the construction progress for the soon-to-be opening Beagle Express at Camp Snoopy in Knott's Berry Farm. For the Talking Archive, I'm Josh Jacobs.